Hello students, welcome back to the class. ଆମେ last class ରେ ପଢିଥିଲୁ କ'ଣ ନା discovery of electrons. So in the last class we discussed regarding discovery of electrons and I told you to summarize it. Suppose anybody wants to know about electrons, what we can summarize regarding electron. So first we have to write electron was discovered in cathode ray experiment or during cathode ray experiment. Then its specific charge, that is charge by mass ratio, is 1.76 into 10 power 11 coulomb per kg. Then its charge as found out in Millikan's oil drop experiment is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Then the mass was calculated, mass of electron was calculated to be 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilogram. Then last point I told you, the charge on 1 mole of electron is 1 Faraday. So these things you have to remember. So electron, it was discovered in cathode ray experiment or during cathode ray experiment. Then it was discovered by J.J. Thomson. So the credit is given to J.J. Thomson. क्या credit दिया जाए ना J.J. Thomson. The specific charge that is E by M ratio of electron is equal to 1.76 into 10 to the power 11 coulomb per kg. That means coulomb kg inverse. So you have to remember this data. जो data वाला दोची तुम तो मन रखियो पड़ेगा ना. Next, the charge of electron E कहते it was found by Millikan's oil drop experiment. कोते बार किला Millikan's oil drop experiment 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So you have to put a negative sign here. Minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Then the mass was calculated. The mass of electron we calculated कितना निकला ना E by M. So it was found to be 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilogram kg, or in terms of gram it will be 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram. So you have to remember this data. Okay. Then the charge on 1 mole of electron, it was calculated to be 96500 coulombs, that is equal to 1 Faraday. A bigger unit 1 Faraday, ताकू लिखा जाए capital F. So these are the data which you have to remember regarding electron. So it's a unit negative charge carrying subatomic particle with negative charge but negligible mass. So the mass टाको देखियो छुआ, it is very negligible. So mass of electron is not taken into consideration. So this is all about your electron. Then the first subatomic particle was discovered, which was a negatively charged particle. गोटे first subatomic particle बाहरला जोटा negatively charged था, ताको हम नाम देलो electron. But why the scientists search for some other subatomic particle which must be positively charged? कहीं scientists माने खोजिले that there must be another subatomic particle within the atom which will be positively charged. Now because atom is overall neutral in nature, atom overall होची neutral. So when there are negatively charged electrons present inside it, जदि ता भितरे electron present अछंती which are negatively charged, equal number of positive charges must be there. नहले neutral नहीं परिबोनी atom. So equal number of positive charge carrying subatomic particles must be there. तेणु साइंटिस्ट मान सर्च करे आरंभ कले So what should be the next subatomic particle with positive charge? Now it was done by Goldstein, and he repeated the same experiment. The same experiment को repeat कर ले. That means Crookes tube experiment, long hard glass test tube, 60 centimeter long, 4 centimeter width, same conditions, that is high voltage 20 to 30,000 volt and low pressure 10 to the power minus 2 to 10 to the power minus 3 millimeter pressure. So at high voltage and low pressure, the same experiment was repeated by Goldstein, but with a perforated cathode, with a perforated छिद्रयुक्त cathode को use करें. Okay, so next let us see how the proton was discovered by Goldstein. Okay. So next we will discuss discovery of protons. Discovery of protons. Experiment नाम कौन? Now it is anode ray, or it is also known as canal ray. Canal ray experiment. So it was done by Goldstein. Name of the experiment is anode ray or canal ray experiment. Koi chichwa, what is the instrumentation part? Na same instrumentation, same conditions, but with a perforated cathode. So kon naba chwa, gote long hard glass test tube naba, jemti neithilu ame cathode gas ray. We will take a long hard glass test tube. It will be connected to a vacuum pump. It will be connected to a vacuum pump. Vacuum pump ro काम कोई से already to maintain low pressure inside the glass tube. अभी तो तुम कौन ना बचवा. So inside this we will take gas. Same condition. Low pressure will be maintained by vacuum pump. So this is connected to vacuum pump to maintain low pressure. Range में लिखती हो चुका 10 to the power minus 2 to 10 to the power minus 3 millimeter pressure. Okay. Then there will be two electrodes, but this time with a perforated cathode, माने छिद्रयुक्त cathode थिबो, सेथरे canals का कोणा थिबो, हैला. So it will be perforated cathode with canals in it. Okay. So another side there will be anode. Two metal rods or electrodes will be there, which will be connected to a high voltage source. ଗୋଟେ high voltage source को connect कर दो ताकू. So it will be connected to a high voltage source. केते कहतली the voltage range will be 20,000 to 30,000 volt. So it will be connected to a high voltage generator or high voltage source. केते रेंज करिवो? So this is the positive end, this is the negative end. 20,000 to 30,000 volt. Same condition, high voltage source will be there. High voltage source. But what is the difference? Now we have to take a perforated cathode. We have to take a perforated cathode. गोटे छिद्रयुक्त cathode आमे नबा. सेथरे जेंति होल्स थिबो जा थ्रुले एची पास करि परिबो एमिशन. So this is a perforated cathode जोथरे मझिरे मझिरे कोणा अछि बा छिद्र अछि. So this is a perforated cathode. So what we will write in this place? Now this is a perforated cathode. Perforated माने छिद्रयुक्त cathode. Perforated cathode. Cathode with perforation बा holes in it. सेथरे छिद्र अछि बा holes अछि ता कोया छ perforated cathode. This side will be the anode. This side will be the anode. Okay. So there are same conditions. Same conditions are prevailing inside it. ताला कौन हबो ना cathode rays will travel from cathode towards anode जेमति होतला छुआ ताको dotted line रे देखौची. So these dotted lines will be the cathode rays. These dotted lines will be the cathode rays. जेम काना condition समान अछि because the condition is same. The cathode rays will travel from the cathode towards the opposite side जोटा हम पढ़ी साइड already. So we need not repeat it. So these dotted lines what they represent? these dotted lines, they represent the cathode rays, which we have already discovered, which we have already discussed. Okay. Then simultaneously what dekhala, because we have taken a perforated cathode, another ray is traveling from the anode towards opposite side. आ गोटे ray कौन करूची anode रू बाहर की opposite end को आसुची. So another ray is traveling from the anode and traveling towards the opposite side. आ गोटे ray simultaneously anode रू बाहर की opposite end को आसुची. Okay. So along with the cathode rays, another bluish ray is found to be traveling from the anode towards the opposite side. So these rays were named as anode rays because ताका source थिला anode आउ जेहेतु से canal माने गोटे opening देक pass करछन्ती ताको canal ray भी कहा जाय. And that's why the experiment is also known as canal ray experiment because they pass through a canal. That means a small opening. जेहेतु गोटे small opening देक pass करछन्ती ताना canal ray भी कहा जाय. So this was the instrumentation part. It was done by Goldstein. It was done by Goldstein. So Goldstein is credited for the discovery of proton earlier, but now the credit is given to Rutherford because Rutherford discovered everything regarding proton. Okay, mostly he predicted regarding nucleus, existence of a nucleus. Okay, so that's why recently the credit is being given to Rutherford. Okay, the next properties of anode rays. Properties of anode rays. So same properties but opposite deflection. Remember property जहाँ थिला cathode ray almost same हबो, खाली अंकर penetration power टा टिके अधिक हबो because they are heavier mass. जेहेतु समान heavier mass ताकर penetrating power टा टिके अधिक हबो, but remaining property समान रहबो. But electric field और magnetic field रे ताकर deflection हबो but opposite to that of cathode ray. So that is the point to be remembered. So same properties, they travel in a straight line, they travel in a straight line, गोटे सरल रेखा रे गति करती कही सारी ऑलरेडी आउ डिटेल डिस्कस करूनी. देन सेकंड वन, दे कैरी मटेरियल पार्टिकल्स से माने किछि वस्तुत्व थिबा कणिका को नेकी गठित. दे कैरी मटेरियल पार्टिकल्स, they are deflected by the electric field. यदि हम गोटे एडिशनल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड से अप्लाई करबा, एपटे मानकर रहिला छ पॉजिटिव प्लेट टा, एपटे रहिला नेगेटिव प्लेट टा, then what will happen? So when additional electric field of around 20 volt was applied on it, ताले कोन हबो ना these rays will be deflected towards the negative plate. ए रे गुडा कोन डिफ्लेक्ट हेबे towards the negative plate. तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड रे they will be deflected no doubt, but deflection केमति हबो ना opposite to that of cathode ray. Cathode ray कोन को attracted होतला towards the positive plate. सेटु कोन हम कंक्लूड करथिलु, what we concluded ना the cathode ray contains material particles which are negatively charged, but at the opposite hala they are being attracted towards the positive, towards the negative plate. That means they carry material particles which are positively charged, so they are deflected towards negative plate when an additional electric field of around 20 volt was applied on it. They were deflected towards negative plate, which confirms that they carry positively charged particles. सेमाने positively charged कणिका को नेकी गठित. नेक्स्ट जदि हम गोटे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अप्लाई करिवा, अगेन दे विल बी डिफ्लेक्टेड. गोटे नॉर्थ साउथ देकी पोल देकी दी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड दे दो जेमति हम देइथिलु कैथोड रे. सो व्हेन ए मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वाज अप्लाइड ऑन इट, they are again deflected. सेमाने आउथर डिफ्लेक्टेड हेले केमति ना लाइक ए पॉजिटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल डू इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ ए मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड रे गोटे पॉजिटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल जेमति डिफ्लेक्ट होवा कथा सेमति हेले. सो दे आर deflected in presence of a magnetic field केमती हेले ना like the positively charged particles, like the positively charged particles do in presence of a magnetic field. In presence of a magnetic field रे positive charge जेमती deflect हवा कथा सेमती हेले. That means this one again confirms that these rays they carry positively charged particles. Again magnetic field deflection कौन प्रमाण कला ना ए रेटा positively charged कणिका को नेकी गठित. They carry positively charged particles. They carry positively charged particles. So these are the properties of anode rays which you have to remember. Our properties, they affect photographic plate. Then they can penetrate through thin sheets of metal. जेहेतु तांकर किसी मास रहुची से माने पेनिट्रेट करि परिबे पतला शीट मेटल यदि दिया जिवो दे कैन पेनिट्रेट और पास थ्रू द थिन शीट ऑफ मेटल. सो दीज आर द अदर प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एनोड रेज. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस हाउ द पॉजिटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल, lightest positively charged particle was found in case of hydrogen. Okay, then next students will discuss what can be the source of anode ray. जेमती कहितली छुआ कैथोड रे रे दुईटा सोर्स थिला बिकॉज से ग्लास टेस्ट ट्यूब भितर दुईटा मात्र मटेरियल अछि, गैस निहाइछि आउ मेटल रॉड्स जाको हम इलेक्ट्रोड्स कहूछु कैथोड बा एनोड. सो देयर आर ओनली टू पॉसिबिलिटीज इनसाइड द ग्लास ट्यूब. आउ किछि सोर्स नाही ता भितरे. सो इन केस ऑफ कैथोड रेज द सोर्स वी आर बोथ ऑफ देम. इट मे बी द कैथोड मेटल, इट मे बी द गैस. बट कहि साछि छुआ आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट द metals are highly electropositive. That means they readily donate electron, they readily lose electron and gain a positive charge. So it is quite difficult to remove a positive charge from another positive charge. तेणु मेटाल जेहेतु ऑलरेडी इलेक्ट्रॉन दे सारी पॉजिटिव चार्ज गेन कर साची सेठू आ गोटे पॉजिटिव चार्ज बाहरियार संभावना बहुत कम. सो व्हाट कैन बी द सोर्स ऑफ एनोड रे? सोर्स ऑफ एनोड रे is only one गैस इनसाइड द ट्यूब. आउ किसी सोर्स हे परिबो नाही काहे कि ना मेटल रो गोटे पॉजिटिव चार्ज एमिट होवा चांसेस ऑलमोस्ट नील. सो गैस इनसाइड द ट्यूब जो गैस टा निहाइची सेही गैस टा ही सोर्स. द ओनली सोर्स ऑफ एनोड रे इज द गैस इनसाइड द ट्यूब. आउ किसी सोर्स नाही. सो what was done na the specific charge of the particles एटी ताले किछि पॉजिटिव चार्ज पार्टिकल रहि छथि हम ताको डिटरमाइन करि सलन जे these particles which carry some mass are positively charged. These material particles are positively charged. Already हमें पढ़ि सारिछु. So the specific charge, that is E by m ratio, was found out for these particles, and the highest specific charge or highest E by m ratio was found when the lightest gas was used in the tube. So the lightest gas ki habo now when hydrogen gas was used inside the tube. So the highest E by m ratio, that is 9.58 into 10 to the power 7 coulomb per kg was found when hydrogen gas was taken in the tube. ताले जेहेतु गोटिए सोर्स केवल थिला कोन ना gas inside the tube. So every time the gas inside the tube was changed and the specific charge of the particle, that is E by m ratio, charge by mass ratio. E means charge, m per mass. So specific charge means E by m ratio, charge by mass ratio of these particles was determined. But सबठो highest value of E by m केतरा आसीबो ना when the lightest particle will be used. ताले सबठो कम मास थिया पार्टिकल ता आमे यूज करबा, then the E by m ratio specific charge will be highest. केतरा बाहरला ना when the lightest gas hydrogen was used inside the tube. So this lightest positively charged particle को कैसे तो हाइड्रोजन यूज कर रहा particle was named as proton. ताले ई सबटु क्षुद्रतम बा सबटु छोटो मास लाइटेस्ट पार्टिकल केतले बाहरला नतला में हाइड्रोजन गैस नेलु. So this lightest positively charged particle was named as the fundamental particle, that is proton. So proton is a fundamental particle with unit positive charge, but a mass but a mass. Okay. So then next, what is charge on proton? Proton को charge केते रहइबो ना ऑलरेडी कहि साची छुआ जेहेतु atom टा electrically neutral, because the atom is electrically neutral, जेतिकी परिमाण नेगेटिव चार्ज रहइबो सेतिकी परिमाण पॉजिटिव चार्ज should be there. So the magnitude of negative charge will be equal to magnitude of positive charge. तेनु इलेक्ट्रॉन नो जेहेतु चार्ज होची -1.6 into 10 power -19 coulomb, it will be having the same charge but opposite, that is plus. So what will be charge of proton? Now plus 1.6 into 10 to the power -19 coulomb. So this will be the charge on proton. Same magnitude rahebo. In case of electron it is negative, in case of proton it will be positive. Okay. Tahale but now we find out E by M, then E, charge on proton, that is E. So from this, what will be the mass of proton? We can find out mass of proton, M, P we can write. केते हो छुआ ना equal to E by M, तेनु E by M. चार्ज केते बाहरला 1.6 into 10 to the power -19 coulomb. प्रोटॉन नो स्पेसिफिक चार्ज को लेक्चर चल रही केते 9.58 into 10 to the power 7 coulomb per kg. 10 to the power 7 coulomb per kg. ताल देखो coulomb कैंसिल हे जिवो, kg इनवर्स ऑफ ग्रुप पळे गेले, kg आसी गेला मन रखिबो एटा हे जिवो अराउंड 1.672 into केते हे जिवो 10 to the power -27 kilogram. So this is the mass of proton, 1.672 into 10 power -27 kilogram. Okay, which is almost equal to 1 atomic mass unit. जोटा मैं आगे ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर सचू. So mass of proton is almost equal to 1 atomic mass unit. Okay, so this is how the proton was discovered. Who discovered it? Rutherford discovered it. Credit is given to Rutherford. Then my assignment for today's class, जेमती मु कहितली तुमको समराइज करथली इलेक्ट्रॉन विषय, you summarize regarding protons. Write a short note or brief note on protons. Okay students? So next students we will discuss regarding discovery of another subatomic particle, that is neutron. So now electron, the first subatomic particle was discovered which carries unit negative charge. Then प्रोटॉन was discovered to justify the neutrality of atom. जोटा साइंटिस्ट माने सर्च करथुले जे एटम इज इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल, तेणु जेतिक संख्यक इलेक्ट्रॉन अछि से संख्या गोटे प्रोटॉन थिया दरकार, पॉजिटिव चार्ज पार्टिकल थिया. सो प्रोटॉन was discovered. Then neutrality of atom is justified. Then why did the scientists search for another subatomic particle which must carry some mass but no charge? It must be neutral with some mass. Why? So let us see the answer. So if we compare the mass of electron and mass of proton, the mass of electron is around 1 by 1848 of mass of proton. Proton no mass ro 1840 भाग रो भागे होची electron no mass. So the mass of electron is around 1 by 1848 of mass of proton. Okay. So if we compare the mass of electron is said to be negligible, almost negligible लिया जाए. So if we speak of atomic mass of an atom, बर्तमान सुधा प्रोटॉन केवल डिस्कवर होईची, इलेक्ट्रॉन डिस्कवर होईची. Mass of electron is negligible, mass of proton is 1 ml. Okay, then why the scientists search for this? For this we have to go for these two: hydrogen, atomic number 1, then helium 2 4. So in these two cases, what is the number of electrons here? Now electron 1, proton is also 1. In case of hydrogen, electron 1, proton 1. In case of helium, electron 2, proton 2. Okay. एबे जस्ट कहली इलेक्ट्रॉन नो मास जदि हम नबा, इट इज 0, ऑलमोस्ट टेकन एज 0. काहे कि ना प्रोटॉन नो 1840 भाग रु भागे हला. सो इट इज ऑलमोस्ट टेकन एज 0. तेनु इलेक्ट्रॉन मास को कंट्रीब्यूट करेनी एटॉमिक मास को. तेनु आ मास केते हिजिवो 0. प्रोटॉन होची 1 mu कहिछि, केते हि गला 1. ठीक अछि, मिसै दबा अर्थात मास. हाइड्रोजन एटॉमिक मास केते होची ना 1. एटॉमिक मास केते हिजिवो दुइटार मास को मिसैबा, काहे ना आटम भितर केवल इलेक्ट्रॉन और प्रोटॉन अछंती वर्तमान सुधा डिस्कवर होईची तो एटॉमिक मास केते हेगला 1 ठीक अछि हाइड्रोजन एटॉमिक मास 1 इट इज जस्टिफाइड बट कम हियर कम टू हीलियम दुईटा इलेक्ट्रॉन अछि मास नवा 0 ताले इलेक्ट्रॉन कंट्रीब्यूशन हेगला 0 प्रोटॉन नो मास होची 1 एमयू हेगला 2 मिसै दियो सो व्हाट शुड बी द एटॉमिक मास ऑफ हीलियम जदि केवल इलेक्ट्रॉन और प्रोटॉन अछंती एटॉमिक मास हीलियम के दवा कथा ना 2 होबा कथा 2 एमयू होबा कथा बट दैट इज रॉन्ग केते ना 4 एमयू दैट मींस if we take only proton contributing towards mass electron mass हमें 0 already consider करूछु ताहले it cannot justify the atomic mass को बुझी पारनो okay so this is why the scientists search for another subatomic particle which must be neutral काहे हबो जदि पॉजिटिव हे जिवो थर्ड पार्टिकल दा then atom will be positively charged जदि नेगेटिव हे जिवो atom will be negatively charged so it must be neutral and it should carry some mass. So this is how the search was on for the next subatomic particle which was done by James Chadwick by bombarding light elements like beryllium and boron with alpha particles. So in the next class we will discuss discovery of neutrons. Okay students, so this is for today. See you in the next class.